Okay, let's look at this question. We're given an equation of x plus 4 squared plus y minus 19 squared equals 121. The graph of the given equation is a circle in the x and y plane. The point A and B lies on the circle. Which of the following is a possible value for A? So what can we do? Well, in this question, we need to understand the equation of a circle formula, which is going to be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where r squareds are radius, or r is our radius, and if we solve for x and y, that gives us our center point in the circle. So how can we look for the center? Well, if we look at the question given, I have x plus 4 squared and I have y minus 19 squared. So to look for my x and y values, that's the center, I can do x plus 4 equals 0 and y minus 19 equals 0 to look for my y and x value. So I subtract 4 for x and I add 19 for y, and I'm going to get x equals negative 4 and y equals positive 19. So my center point is going to be negative 4 and positive 19. So let's draw a little circle right over here, and our center is going to be negative 4 and 19. To look for my radius, I just do 121 equals r squared, and because r is our radius, I just do the square root on both sides, and I'm going to get r equals the square root of 121, which equals 11. So r equals 11. So what can I do with this information to figure out what a possible value for A? Well, if I look at my center, it's negative 4, 19. So what I'm going to do is add and subtract from negative 4 to figure out my smallest and my greatest x value. So if I subtract 4, I'm going to get negative 15 and then positive 19, because we're only changing our x value, not our y, because we're looking for A and not for B, because A is our x value. And if I add 11, I'm going to get 7 and then positive 19. So our intervals of x can be a number between 15 or a number 7. So it's either less or equal to 15, or sorry, it's going to be greater or equal to negative 15 or less or equal to 7. So we're looking for the one that can be a possible value for A. It can be negative 16 because it's not in the order. It can be negative 14. It can be 11 because it's too big, and it can be 19 because it's too big. Therefore, my answer is going to be B, because it's in the order pair between negative 15 with 7, which the highest and the lowest value for x.